Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. This week I just kind of went through my toy house and picked like an adoptable or something. Like I'd say a year or so ago I bought this one from Orcafall, I believe it's pronounced on Twitter. It's just like kind of a hair design, but it had like the teal and the cream colors, which I'm always a sucker for, and like I don't know, it's just a neat character, and I believe they were fairly cheap, so I was like, alright, well, I'll buy it. But then I never drew it. So here I am drawing it. I thought it looked cool with like the bold black lines and stuff. I definitely want to take the time to scribble my own characters more often like this because, I don't know, it's nice to expand their galleries. I also updated the music for the Sketchbook Sunday videos because I thought the Sky Tower was kind of old and like too, I don't know, not too loud, but like this one's more subdued and like chilled out, which is kind of what I want the series to be, so I think it's a little more fitting. Yeah, not too much to say about this, just a quick little doodle of an old Hare character of mine. I was originally gonna like transfer the colors and stuff onto another character, but I kind of like it like this. Maybe I'll give this like a humanoid form or whatever. See how that goes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.